So we're mounting kind of the pulley for the idler.
Setting skate bearings into the recess, and then one more in the hole in the top here, which is slightly smaller than the size of the bearing, so just heating it up a little bit. And you can see when it's hot because it changes shiny as it's starting to melt. You don't want to get it too hot.
This might be just the right temperature to burn yourself a bit, right?
Yeah, probably.
So then it's perfect.
That was pretty good, actually. Do you remember which? Yeah, that way up.
So we are eyeballing, I guess, that it's kind of sits. No, not at all. It doesn't sit in the middle yet, anyways.
I'm gonna have to take that out for the moment.
Sweet.
Just torquing it over slightly because it doesn't look in parallel with it. The incredible forgiving nature of plastic. Cooling it down.
Yeah, we have many professional tools at hand to get the job done.
There you go. Okay, somebody cut that too long. Does that matter? Do we
I
just?
don't think so. We had that
We'll
before.
have that, but it's sitting on the inside,
Oh,
so
sitting
it
on the inside.
does smash it.
Actually, it might be not the worst. Yeah,
No, it's.
shouldn't touch
You can't touch.
the frame.
Yeah. I'm gonna be noisy and grindy.
Okay, I can still look if I can
Yeah,
find
sure.
a shorter piece.